Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 7, your research paper, 120 points. All right, let's scroll down the screen and see what we have here. We have SpongeBob, one of my favorite cartoons. He's writing an essay and he's becoming determined to do well. I hope you are too. All right, scrolling down more, we have all about this assignment. This is a video that you are watching and listening to now. We have a link with the due dates, and we have requirements for the assignment. We have a part 1, and we have a part 2 to this assignment, and we have help with quoting right here. Okay, I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to click with you on the due dates. So the timeline for the research paper: post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, June 2nd, 2019, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, June 3rd, 2019. There will be no extensions for this assignment. You must submit it on time because June 3rd is the end of the semester. Okay, I am going to go back into our assignment and I'm going to click on the requirements. Okay, research paper requirements. Topic: why are American student success rates so low, and what's the solution or solutions to this problem? The length is 1,500 words, which are 6 double-spaced pages minimum. That does not include your works cited. Okay, you have 7 sources minimum that you have to use, 7 different sources. You have 10 quotations, 10 quotes you must use. And these sources must be used only from class discussions. I will not accept papers that have quotes from other sources. Okay, we have data sources you need to include. 2 of these sources must be the Nation's Report Card 2015 and the National Center for Education Statistics. These sources were in one of our earlier discussions. You also need to include anecdotal evidence. 1 source must be what a peer said in a discussion 1 video about his or her education. And for an expert source, 1 source must be Paulo Freire in Pedagogy of the Oppressed, 1968, and you have a link to that. You are required to use correct MLA format. So use correct MLA format, 8th edition, regarding your in-text citations. These are your quotes and a work cited. Okay, I am going to click back into our research paper, and the directions for part 1 are right here. You have the workshopping the essay pedagogy, which I am using for this research paper, and you have help with your research paper here. Okay, part 2 is your peer evaluations. You're going to click here and make sure you complete these peer evaluations for your term paper. I'm going to click back into the assignment, and I'm going to go up to our syllabus, and I'm going to click on the academic integrity policy, which is number 12, and you need to review this very carefully and what plagiarism is. Your work must be your own original work, and you should not have received inappropriate help or copied other people's thoughts or ideas, putting them into your own words, or quoting. You need to explain if you're quoting or paraphrasing somebody else. So please read this academic integrity policy carefully. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow. I'm going to click on it one more time. So I am back into discussion 7, our research paper. I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. You are not bothering me. If you ask me a question about your term paper, I'm happy to help. Okay, enjoy the writing process.